What's up everyone? In today's ScarQuest tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to buy land from within the ScarQuest marketplace from your computer. So starting off, we're here at ScarQuest.com. Always double check the domain. Gonna want to click over to Marketplace, and then we'll need to connect our wallet. So I'll be connecting my MetaMask wallet, which I already have with the Scar that I'd like to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and click Connect Wallet, MetaMask, requesting for account 1, which is the one I want. If I need to change that, I can always click Edit right here. Go ahead and click Connect. Now that I have my wallet connected and I'm on the Market tab, I can see what there is currently listed for sale. I'm going to be going for this Molten Barons right over here, listed for 46,575 SCAR. Just go ahead and select that. We can get some information about it. Go ahead and buy this item. I can see the cost. Okay, we're going to go ahead and confirm that purchase. Count 1, confirm. There is a network fee, so make sure to have some BNB in your wallet to cover the transaction fee. I'm going to go ahead and confirm that. Confirm again. It's no longer listed, so I'm going to click over to my inventory, and there is our recently purchased piece of land. So I hope you found this tutorial useful. In the next one, I'll be demonstrating how to import your land into the game, and as always, I will see you in Valhalla.